Welcome back to IQ Cars 2.0. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated aircraft of the decade, the HAL T2 expected in 2025. Though our channel usually focuses on cars, this next-gen fighter jet deserves serious attention because it represents a dramatic evolution in military aviation and technological ambition. We'll cover its exterior design, cockpit and pilot systems, performance metrics, and cost-value proposition to give you the full picture of what makes the Tejas Mk2 such a major development. Let's begin with the exterior, because that's where you first see the transformation. The Tejas Mk2 retains the delta wing layout of the original series, but everything about it has been scaled and upgraded. The fuselage has been stretched to house more fuel and avionics. The intakes have been redesigned for larger airflow, and the wings now carry more hardpoints for a greater payload. You'll also notice the addition of close-coupled canards just ahead of the wings, a key enhancement for agility and maneuverability. The airframe uses a higher proportion of composites and radar-absorbing materials, giving the jet a sleeker, stealth-inspired appearance. The panel fit is tighter, surfaces are smoother, and the overall contours are optimized to reduce radar cross-section in hostile airspace. On the flanks, you'll find multiple weapon pylons, each cleverly integrated into the wing design. This gives the aircraft flexibility for air-to-air, air-to-ground, and anti-ship missions. The landing gear has been reinforced to handle heavier loads, and the undercarriage is now rated for more demanding operations from austere airstrips or aircraft carriers. The Tejas Mk2 looks both lightweight and menacing, well-suited for modern multi-role operations. Now, stepping into the cockpit, or what we'd call the interior, this plane is built for the next generation of warfare. The pilot sits under a large bubble canopy, offering expanded visibility. The instrumentation is state-of-the-art. A wide-area display replacing most analog gauges, a helmet-mounted display system allowing target engagement purely by eyesight, side-stick controls instead of a conventional column, and a full HOTAS, hands-on throttle, and stick layout. The interface is digital, intuitive, and designed for high-stress flight environments where seconds matter. The avionics suite is a major jump from earlier Tejas versions. It includes an AESA radar capable of long-range target detection and multi-target tracking, infrared search and track, IRST sensors, advanced electronic warfare suites, and secure data links for networked combat. Pilots will be able to fuse data from multiple sensors into a cohesive tactical picture, greatly enhancing situational awareness. Life support systems, improved cockpit ergonomics, and advanced mission systems ensure this jet is ready for long-endurance flights and complex operations. It truly moves from being a light fighter to a full-blown multi-role asset. Performance is where the Tejas Mk2 really raises the bar. At the core, the aircraft is expected to be powered by the GE F414-INS6 engine or equivalent, providing significantly more thrust than the MiG-29 variant. This allows for higher top speed, improved climb rate, increased payload, and greater air combat maneuvering capability. Reports suggest a top speed around Mach 1.8 or more, augmented by agility enhancements like the canards and advanced flight control laws. Combat radius is expected to exceed 1,000 kilometers with internal fuel and external tanks, enabling longer missions and deeper strike capabilities. Payload capacity has been increased considerably, now capable of carrying heavier and more diverse weapons loads. That means you can outfit the jet for air superiority, precision ground attack, or maritime strike roles with ease. Maneuverability has also been improved thanks to aerodynamic refinements, lower weight, and better thrust-to-weight ratio. The Tejas Mk2 promises to offer both air-to-air kill capability and air-to-surface precision in a single platform. Stealth and survivability have been enhanced as well. The aircraft's radar-absorbent material use, internal weapon carriage options, reduced external stores when needed, and integrated countermeasure systems make it much more resilient in contested airspace. Combined with its sensor suite, the Tejas Mk2 becomes a formidable combat asset capable of operating in adversarial environments. Now, let's talk about cost and value. While precise figures are rare in defense procurement, the objective behind the Tejas Mk2 has been to deliver advanced fighter capabilities at a more affordable cost than many Western alternatives. With higher indigenous content and a rising local aerospace supply chain, India aims to reduce reliance on imported components, lower operating costs, and provide export options. If you compare this to similar fighters from the US or Europe that can cost well over $100 million each, the Tejas Mk2 offers substantial value potential for nations seeking modern capability without a massive budget. Operational costs are expected to be competitive as well. Huge. With systems designed for maintenance access, modular components, and local manufacturing, the lifecycle cost should be lower. Support infrastructure is being developed domestically, which adds to long-term sustainability. For many countries, this makes the Tejas Mk2 an attractive candidate as both a national force multiplier and an export offering, and for India, it reflects strategic independence in aviation. So who is the Tejas Mk2 designed for? It's targeted at air forces needing a modern multi-role fighter able to perform air-to-air, ground attack, and maritime strike missions. It suits countries upgrading older fleets and seeking better performance without the cost burden of top-tier Western jets. And for India, it signifies a leap in capability and self-reliance, moving from licensed production to home-design production at scale. In short, the HAL Tejas Mk2 represents a major step forward. With upgraded engine, improved aerodynamics, advanced sensors, greater payload, extended range, and enhanced cockpit systems, this is not just an incremental upgrade, it's a generational shift. India is not only building a fighter jet, it's building a platform for future growth, export success, and technological independence. That's everything you need to know about the Tejas Mk2 as we look ahead to its anticipated introduction in 2025. Advanced design.